Alright, so this is the everyday carry pocket dump. I got, of course, the phone that I'm talking to y'all on. I got my Alpha Gear Delta Pro. Best watch you will ever have. Got my wallet, of course. I have my arrowhead necklace. And I've had a couple pistols, but I don't have them anymore. I would get another one, but I just ain't got the money for it. And last but not least, my Kershaw Elite. And that is about it. Nothing very special, just what I tote around in my pockets and on my body. But anyway, y'all have a good one.